Mate Ma'a Tonga, Mate Ma'a Tonga, Mate Ma'a Tonga, Mate Ma'a Tonga. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Ma'a Tonga is the champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Jason is a champion. Water is a champion, Tupo is a champion, Channing is a champion, Haro is a champion, Situa is a champion, O'Hare is a champion, Tingano is a champion. Don't forget, Kristian Woolf, Tonga is a champion, Fita is a champion, Havili is a champion, Tauke Aho is a champion, Kamalolo is a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Ma'a Tonga is a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Jason is a champion. Mate Ma'a Tonga, Mate Ma'a Tonga, Mate Ma'a Tonga, Mate Ma'a
Josh Kronfeld, legendary All Black.
All Black.
3, 2, 1. One more. Nice.
You should not cut my head out, bro.
That's nice.
Oh.
No worries, boys. It's really nice to chat to you.
You here for Mate Ma'a Tonga or Kiwis?
Yeah, die for Tonga, Mate Ma'a Tonga.
There you go, man. There you go.
That's right.
Basically, everybody's second favourite team. I'm a Kiwis fan, obviously, from back in the day. But I love my Tongan league players from way back. George Mann, Dwayne Mann, Solomon Hamono, Jim Dimmick, Owen Gutenberg. All that 1995 World Cup, I feel like that almost started everything.
That's right, brother.
And then now the momentum's huge. They've pretty much got the World Cup squad, all of them back together. So it's hard to see them ever fading now. They're always going to be a world force.
Cheers, mate. What's a legendary All Black like you supporting a league game, huh?
I love the colour red, mate.
Yeah, bro.
Love the colour red.
Like James.
I've got black on me.
There you go.
It's close enough.
Back to the heart. Back to the heart, brother. Thank you very much, Josh.
No worries.
Cheers.
Go Tonga!
Yeah.
Go Tonga.
Hey, brother. Same as over here. All the best, man, for tomorrow, man.
Sika, all the way from Vaini. Representing. Cheers, brother. All the best tomorrow night.
Yo, Wolf. Hey, Kristian.
How are
How you
you?
doing, brother, man? How's the team, man?
Yeah, good.
Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Good.
Yeah.
Looks like you got a great team assembled there, Kristian.
Yeah, they're a good team. They're a very good group of men. They represent the country very, very proudly.
Yes. And obviously your skills is really propelling them forward together, and it's nice to see the unity that's going on. How do you maintain that?
Oh, look, I don't have to work too hard on the unity at all, to be honest. They've all got a passion for what they're doing here. They all want to play for Tonga. They all want to be here for the right reasons. And when you get a mix of that, then you get unity straight away.
Awesome, Kristian. Hey, all the very best.
It was really good, actually. It was a special moment for myself, and I know that a lot of the players felt, all the players felt the same way. So Certainly not every day that we get to meet a king of a country.
Yes, that's right.
Look, he had a couple of words for the boys, and yeah, they were more around leadership, and they were good, strong words. So I think they'll all take something from it.
All the very best.
All the best.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
That they have support right across the board.
Come all the way from Whangaumu.
Whangaumu, where is Whangaumu?
To encourage the boys.
There you go.
Thank you.
Well, we appreciate the support. Well done.
This is the driver from Whangaumu.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night we'll have to be up there somewhere. Have to get a walking stick.
As you see, Mate Ma'a Tonga's on the way to their hotel. It's been a great morning spending time with them and the various other international media. Off atu, mahalo.